Hi all! In this video I want to share with you some of the most crazy traditions and customs that I've learned and even took part in Bavaria and also in other parts of Germany. I'd like to start with my favorite one. Check out, and you probably know what it is. Maybaum. But do you know what all the action around it takes place on the 1st of May? Well, in each village, it's super important, this Maibaum, and there are two main reasons for this Maibaum party. First one is a competition between villages. And the second reason, it's the main reason all Bavarian parties, fests take place, is of course drinking and drinking and drinking. So that's what's happening on the 1st of May. And a super cool custom is not only to cut the tree and to storage it, and the main custom is actually to steal the tree. If you manage to steal this Maibaum and to take it to outside of the border of the village to your village, then you have the right to ask for some reward to bring it back. And usually, as you can guess, it's beer and a lot of beer. And then they give the tree back, or if they don't get the reward, then the tree might be destroyed. So pretty sad. Hopefully it never happens. Alright, so this is the Maibaum and Maibaum tradition. Of course, it's drinking and drinking all day long, and a lot of parties. So nice custom. If you happen to be in Bavaria on the 1st of May, definitely Google in which village in this year it's a Maibaum installation takes place and visit it. Definitely worth it. Alright, a few more cool German traditions that I've learned. For example, Weiberfasching. You might have heard about Carnival, right? Taking place in February mainly. What is Weiberfasching? Weiberfasching, it's a very important day when in the history in medieval times, when women didn't have so many rights. It was the only day in the year when women were in charge. What do women do? Of course, they get cool costumes, go party, but the most coolest things they do, they cut ties of all men. So every man should be really careful. If they wear a tie on this day, they're gonna lose it definitely. And like in my company, I always see, tie trophies cut by women. They hang it around. I also have some colleagues who put on a very old tie on this day just in order to get women attention. So could be a good attempt, to get to know someone. All right, so this is number two. The other very cool, interesting custom I've only learned in Germany is so-called Polterabend. It's a tradition to celebrate upcoming wedding. So it's on one date close to the wedding. It takes place in the house of the bride, and the bride and groom decide about the date, but they don't decide who usually comes to this party. So the people who are not invited to the wedding can join this party, and the main thing is to break a lot of dishes, and could be not only dishes, could be even sink and toilets and all kind of stuff. The pa is supposed to clean everything, so it symbolizes the first challenge in mutual work to learn like everyday tasks to do together. Okay, and in some parts of Germany, I think in North Germany, there is a funny custom during this Polterabend that the trousers of the groom would be burned, and they would be buried somewhere together with a bottle of schnapps, strong alcohol. And if 1 year later, if the marriage works well, they find this schnapps, and so they're allowed to drink it. There are a few more customs that I really like. So, for example, this custom comes from north of Germany, and it's called Domtreppe kehren. So, if the guy reaches his 30th birthday and he's still not married, then he's supposed to go to the Rathaus or Dom. He's supposed to clean the stairs for so long until a virgin comes and kisses him, and so he cannot stop cleaning until a girl rescues him. A lot of drinking is connected to it. And yeah, kind of funny customs. All right, so hope it was useful for you, and see you soon.